Welcome back to this YouTube channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyworld.it/Jedi. I'm the Actuarial Program Director at Illinois State University. You can find information about our program at smartyworld.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, go to smartyworld.it/help-ISU-actuary. You have also information about various resources I provide in helping candidates who want to study for actuarial exams and pass them. Here's a practice problem for exam FM. 1,000 is deposited into Fund X, which earns an annual effective rate of 6%. At the end of each year, the interest earned plus an additional 100 is withdrawn from the fund. At the end of the 10th year, the fund is depleted. The annual withdrawals of interest and principal are deposited into Fund Y, which earns an annual effective rate of 9%. Determine the accumulated value of Fund Y at the end of year 10. So, the fund initially, Fund X, has 1,000. It earns interest at 6%. 6% of 1,000 is 60. So the interest earned in Fund X during the first year is 60. During the second year, the interest is reduced by 6 to 54 because 100 was withdrawn at the end of the first year when that interest earned in the first year of 60 was also withdrawn. And that 100 no longer earns interest. Next year, interest is again reduced by 6 to 48, and this process of reduction in the amount of interest continues until the end of the 10th year. Thus, the interest withdrawals, when treated as deposits into Fund Y, amount to a decreasing 10-year annuity, which is 6 times the basic 10-year decreasing annuity. So a regular one would have amounts of 10, 9, 8, 7, and so on. But this is 60, which is 6 times 10, 54, which is 9 times 9 times 6, sorry. So from 10 times 6 we go to 9 times 6, then 8 times 6, and so on until 1 times 6. While the regular decreasing annuity payments would be, of course, as I said, 10, 9, 8, and so on. Additionally, 100 is withdrawn and deposited into Fund Y every year. That was kind of the main part of withdrawals, but also interest is withdrawn. Therefore, the total accumulated in Fund Y is 6 times a decreasing annuity. Now, Fund Y accumulates at 9%, so we accumulate this at 9%. So this is accumulated value of an annuity. And then 100, a level annuity over 10 years, also accumulated at 9%. And then we use the formula for the value of a decreasing annuity, so we write it out. And all this needs to be calculated. Note that the only thing that is kind of confusing, or not really confusing, we have a formula for it, but it is actually a bit faster to calculate it, is that accumulated value of a level unit annuity immediate over 10 years at 9%, so S angle 10.09. And in BA2 Plus Pro, you can find it by putting in present value of 0, payment of -1, because it treats it as paying off a loan, so you have to adjust for that. N is 10, interest rate is 9, and compute future value. And you obtain 15.19293 and use it with the numbers that you see here. And the answer is 2084.67. And that's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries, and they own the problem, but the solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.